The Update Manager ensures that your information is up to date and the latest version at all times. Updates are made by Master Spec technical editorial team when appropriate. Typically, a change occurs on the 1st of every month, and this is when the change to a code and standard comes into effect. It is important to take action when you see the Update Manager notification, as there could be key details that are changed within your work section. For example, a key product that you have planned on using may now be referencing a new or updated version of the code or standard. The Update Manager ensures you are managing your risk and shows you the difference between your original work section and the updated version. Occasionally, a manufacturer may also supersede a product, component, or accessory, or change the way it's used. This will likely have an effect on your project and how or what it is specifying. So let's take a look at the Update Manager. When you enter into your specification, you may notice a symbol. This is to notify you that the information has changed. To update it, click on the work section that's outdated, and then at the top, just above the specification, select View Changes. This will just overview the updates. Or to make the changes, select Update Manager. This will now bring you to a new window. Starting from the far left-hand side, the Quick View bar allows you to jump to the updates. Beside it, you'll notice the original version of the specification. And then on the right is the updated version of the affected clauses that are within your work section. Simply go through the detail on the right-hand side and decide if you'd like to incorporate it within your specification. You can do this by selecting the colored buttons that read Overwrite in the center. Orange represents overwriting your clause. Yellow means inserting a new clause. And red will be delete clause. Typically, the orange alerts are clauses affected by change. Yellow are either new clauses that have been added to the work section or clauses that have been taken out within the Q&A process. The red alerts are either clauses that no longer are in the work section or are a custom clause put in by you when building the original work section. You have the ability to take them out if required. Once you're finished, select Back to Specification editorial page. Note that this will not automatically remove the Update Manager alert icon. To remove the icon, you should ideally have run the Update Manager, made the changes as required, completed editing the work section so that it reflects the project you're working on, and remove the tildes. From here, then select Set to Complete. Note that setting the work section to complete after running the Update Manager will remove the alert. Once this process is done, the alert will disappear and not return until the work section is affected by further change. When to ignore the Update Manager. If a project runs for an extended time and you have various milestones versions of the specification, you'll likely wish to retain these previous versions due to the relevance at the respective milestone. If you would, of course, want the construction version to be completed and up to date with the latest information. The second is if the changes are minor, i.e. not related to the codes, standards, or a change to the core product components or accessories to the extent that it will adversely affect the project or the specification project you are working on, and you decide that you do not need to make the amendments to the specification because of the minor nature of the change. That concludes our webinar on the Update Manager. For more information or further questions about the Update Manager, please feel free to contact us at any time for assistance.